Okay, we just got off the Carnival Freedom. We're here in Nassau. You can see that there are zones and locations here that look like they're for excursions. This is Blue Lagoon Island. They were all lined up for that. It's right off the ship. And then we also have seen Carnival excursions walking by. So definitely appears to be a place where you gather for your excursion right off the boat. So we're gonna head up to the new port, take a look at that today. There are lots of ships in port today. So there's Royal Caribbean, Carnival Conquest, we have the Disney ship, and then there's our Freedom that we just got off of, and I think there's actually more. I think we thought there were 6. Go see the port, which is right there, the new port. Doesn't appear to be too far of a walk. This is my first time here for the new port. Joe, this is his first time in Nassau. There's a tram that appears to be bringing people off of some of these bridges, because you can see if you're docked a little further away, you have a further walk than we do. We just happen to be up close, but these other walkways will take you to the other ships that are docked over there. Head down our walkway. More excursion gatherings. There's the Carnival Sunrise next to us. Dock that's up there, you're really close to the port where the Carnival Sunrise is. Okay, so this appears to be where we're walking right into the new cruise port. Little stream, it's really cool. That was a very short walk for us. This appears to be where you come back in. Be checking your sail and sign card or whatever for your ship. Security here, so yeah, we're going straight into the port, or yeah, the new port. You can see the city over there, right outside the fence.
Tourist police station, you can definitely tell this is a touristy area.
When you come off, you're right at the Museum of Junkanoo. So there's gates surrounding the new the new port. See how close it is to the ships. Looks like we're walking into a lot of little shops here. Oh, these are cute little dresses. Combination of food and then all your typical items that you would expect to find at the cruise port. Over here is the hair braiding pavilion. They're calling out for people who want to get their hair braided. Looks like a lot of stations for that. And then more little shops on the other side. Continuing on here, there's looks to be a little more of your higher end stores. Oh, we have a gelato place.
We apparently made a big mistake on the ship and got ice cream right before we got off, and here's a gelato place. I'm a big gelato fan, so we may have to stop back here later and check that out. Joe loves gelato.
Yes, he does. We have a cracked conch chicken place. out into the city right there.
Well, we went out.
This port is definitely a really nice upgrade compared to what it used to be when you got off the ships here. It's been many, many years for me, so I don't even necessarily remember it, but I know that you would just get off and pretty much go straight into the city. Like a little bar here. It's like a wine bar here. Okay, we are approaching the end of the shops. Another restaurant here. Looks like there's Wi-Fi here.
So this is the band shell, and we looked online and couldn't find a schedule for it. So not sure what their events are. Maybe it's more in the evenings for people that are staying here, but we couldn't find anything where we would actually see some music.
As you can see, there's a lot of the shuttle buses right outside of the gate here. I did notice a lot of places along the way, they have gates and they have ways you can get out without coming all the way down here. Right by the band shell. I'll give you a little picture of the directory here, and then I can see the straw market. That's where we're going to take you next. But here's the directory of the Nassau cruise port. We've just continued walking past the straw market area that we're going to go back to, but you can see senior frogs from here. And then this is the end of the cruise port. Okay, we're now out on the street. You could walk out at the very end of the cruise port. They did have one gate open over here, so we just came out right there with the security guy standing. Here's those people taking boat rides. They're all lined up down there to get on. Now we are in the Nassau. We got snorkeling and jet skiing here. Oh, swim with the pigs. Ojo's water sports right outside. So it looks like there's day passes here for a Serenity Beach at British Hotel.
Something we might try at one of our future visits, Serenity Beach.
So it looks like they do have scooters out here that are for rent. Right outside of Senior Frogs. Lots of buses coming in. There's a lot of people here today, and there's a waiting line if you want to get into Senior Frogs. Coming right back up the street to the straw market. We're going to go over there for a few minutes and see what's in there. We're heading across the street. We're straight across from the band shell. I'm gonna go over here into the straw market. I would suggest crossing at the crosswalk because there are lots of taxis and transportation vehicles coming through here on these streets. So you can see we're walking through the straw market. It's full of items for sale. All kind of packed in here. There's lots of clothing, lots of clothing, bags. Of course, they have the conch shells. I have one of those from many, many years ago. We got in Freeport when we were there. It could take you a very long time to go through here if you actually wanted to see all this. So wood carved items. Right across from the straw market there are more stores over there. And we're going to be approaching the area where all the jewelry stores are. So here are all the jewelry stores. I guess I shouldn't say all, but a lot. Now we're on the street behind the straw market. We're at Market and Bay. Amzn International, right on the other side of the straw market. Okay, we're coming back in.
Yeah,
This is the main entrance into the cruise port.
Yeah, so we just were down that street there. And now we're coming back into the cruise port.
There's your gelato. So here you can see this is the area where all the taxis and such are from the outside view. This main entrance to the cruise port. It's getting later in the day, so it's not as busy right now.
Did you get the shot, babe?
I got the shot. Okay, so we've come back in, across from the straw market and the main entrance of the cruise port. So we're coming back down through the cruise port on the other side this time. Coming through the little nicer stores. We're going to take you down the port market. This is the left side as you're coming back towards the ship. Looks like some folks have already closed up even for the day. Our ship is in late. We're here till 6 o'clock. Oh my goodness, it's Stitch, our granddaughter's favorite. So we're coming back by the hair braiding area. The other side. Got about every little trinket or souvenir type of thing you could want. Coming back up to the area where we're going to get back on the ship, back at the Museum of Junkanoo.
Okay, so we're now at the end of the port marketplace. I'm going to zoom around to get what's behind me. Okay, this is what's in front of us, and if I turn the gimbal around, this is what's behind us right now. So we just walked through that port marketplace, and we are heading back to the ship.
Yep, there's all kinds of things. Too numerous to probably tell you, but any clothing, trinkets, jewelry, anything that you're looking for a souvenir, they've got it.
Yep, you can look through it, and lots of options.
So here's the Museum of Junkanoo. right inside the cruise port. This looks pretty cool in here. Here are the prices. It's like $11 for adults and $8.25 for children. And of course, the gift shop. So there is taxi service right here inside the port. See all the rates.
We had a good day just walking around and ready to head back to the ship. Here we are, getting ready to leave the cruise port.
Yep, we've had a great day just walking around. We haven't been here since they put this new port in, and of course, as we said before, Joe hasn't been here at all. So it was really, really nice. I didn't feel unsafe or anything like that through the whole day. Lots of people around, and I saw a lot of security too.
Yeah, just a lot of people having a good time.
Yeah. As you can see, there's Atlantis right there to our right. I'm going to get ready to head back right down the walkway that we came in a little while ago. And there's the Carnival Freedom waiting for us to get back on board. We are saying goodbye to the port here in Nassau and heading back over to the ship.